Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new orders from Ecwid to Slack. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Slack you can receive personal notifications about orders and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Slack as the data receiving system. Now, you need to select an action. Send message, personal. At this stage you need to connect your Slack account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the domain of your Slack account. In order to get it, go to your personal Slack account. Then you need to specify the login and password of your Slack personal account or sign in with your Google or Apple account. At this point you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Slack account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a user who will receive private messages for each new order from Ecwid. In the text field you can add variables from Ecwid that will be sent to messages. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to the selected user in the form of messages in Slack for each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. After successful sending, go to Slack and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the Slack data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.